there, Vicky here. Today in Craft Artist tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a twinkling star. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to go up to Shapes, click on this drop down tab and click on Star. Go to Colour, make sure the fill is white and then draw your star on your page. Now what you need to do, you need to bring the line forward and click on line and make it 0.4. So then what you need to do, you need to adjust these handles here, the top, the left and the right. The bottom one makes it swirly and we don't want that. So just click on do, there we go. So what we need to do, we need to change the star to our desired effect. So I like it like so, and I like 4 handles, 4 points should I say, and just make the minor radius a little bit longer. So when I'm happy with that, I go on to Select Tool, right click on my star and go to Filter Effects. Now if you want to continue to change it like so from here, you can, but personally I like to use this little tab here and click on it. You can barely see it, I can see it, so what I'll just show you it darker. There you go, it is there, I promise you. You'll see it better when you do it yourself. So I'm just going to turn it back to white, and then what you need to do, you need to put a drop shadow on it. So go up to drop shadow. Now for some reason I always like it at 22 on the clock, and you need to change the colour of the drop shadow. So I like to change the colour drop shadow to a yellow, but if you find that a bit bright, click back on the colour and go to more colours, and you can either have the colour wheel, colour box, sliders, whatever. I like to go on the colour wheel. So I'm going to choose a pale lemon like so. When I'm happy with that colour choice, I click OK. Now it is there, I can see it, but you can't. So what I need to do then, I go on to Outer Glow, and it's already highlighted in yellow, so we'll keep it on yellow. So I want to do the intensity about 50. You adjust it to yourself, you adjust it to what you need. I like to blur it, it gives it that really good glow effect. And opacity, just bring it down to 63, or you know, whatever your preference is. And when you're happy with that, click on OK. Then click off your page, and now you've got a star. Like I said, you adjust it to however you want it to. You can make it bright orange or bright red if you want. So there you have it, there's your star, but I want a night sky full of stars. So what I do, I really make it tiny, and just going to highlight the star for you. Click on Select Tool, and then I'm going to use Stamp Mode. I'm just going to randomly stamp around it like so. Click back on Stamp Mode to unselect it, and then I'm going to make all these different sizes. Like so. In fact, I'm going to copy and paste this one, take it off to the side, and then continue to randomly make stars. stamp mode again. There we go. Click on stamp mode to uncheck it. Go back down to this page here to make your workspace more visible. And then what I'm going to do, just let me move this star out of the way. I'm going to group these stars, take them off to the side, go to Tools, click Convert to Picture, click OK, and Convert to Curves. Once you've done that, what you need to do, you need to draw a shape on your page like so. And once you've got the stars on your page here, you go to your fill tool and then you drag down, and this is how I made my starry night sky. And click on select tools. Now I don't want them all the way down to the bottom, because if you want it, you can put an horizon in. So what I then did, I went onto transparency tool and I clicked from the top down like so, and I just had them fading out like so. Then click back on select tool and then put your big star back in. Just make sure it's at the front. Yes, it is. And that's how I did it. And that's how I did my starry night sky. So thank you once again, Linda Tucker. I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.